Hello, beautiful. Welcome. Hello. I'm going to get my hair retightened, and before I go, I want to show you guys how I'm going to combine a few of my locks. Locks in my front are short. Some of them is really short, and when I put my hair in a ponytail, it barely gets anywhere. So I'm thinking that I'd combine the short ones because they're thin anyway. And this also is short. Whenever I flip my hair over, it just kind of sticks. You know, it does this thing that I don't like. So we're going to work on that as well. So this one, I have an issue with. Do you see what's going on here? It's like, I feel like I attached this lock to it a while back, and it's holding on for dear life. So that's this, and it's so thin. It's like barely there. And it's only a matter of time. I feel like it's going to tear off or break off. And it's coming from the very front. The foundation isn't great. So I think I'm going to combine that. If I combine it with that, it pulls, but not too bad. They can pull to the center evenly. And I think that can work.
Waiting for this, yeah, I've been waiting on this. I taking my shot, I won't miss. Taking my shot, it's gon' swish. I know this is God's plan, I won't quit. This is His plan, I won't quit. I was created for this, yeah, I've been waiting on this. Second guessing is over, I'm getting closer. Every door that was shut, heaven is open. Closed captions on every word spoken. Watching my words cause I'm chosen. And I cannot fail to commit. This is my time and I know it. I gotta show shine brightest in the moonlight. Shine brightest in the nighttime. Been waiting on my time. And it's time for me to shine bright.
All right, so I'm going to cut you here. So I have this. I could use this because I have free hair on the ends here. So I think I'll just go for here. Barely. I have this released hair, okay? We're going to put this away. Don't go away. Hang around and see what I'm going to do, how I'm going to attach it to this. For the meantime, I have to secure the one I just cut, because look at it. See what it's doing? It's just sitting there like a two-headed dragon. I have to combine it to this one. So now I'm going to release this. So I've released it, you'll see. Same tool. I could braid it to give it some foundation. I think I will. Braid it a little bit, give it some good solid foundation. within the lock. And I have very little left now. I'm going to take that and just wrap it around the lock and instant lock it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to put the hook in, pull, and pull, and pull. And when I feel like I've pulled enough out, it doesn't have to snap, it's just a pull. Don't break the hair. Now after I feel like I've pulled enough, now I'm just going to crochet it in place, going around the lock. Okay, so now it all looks like one lock. Okay, now these ones, I'm not sure what my plan is. Maybe eventually I might just chop it off from here and attach this thick one all the way down here. Maybe that's what I might do, because this is just so thin. But for the meantime, while it can get to my ponytail, I'll leave it and let it grow a little bit, and then I'll get to it maybe in like a year or so, or whenever it breaks. So great, now I have a lock that is long enough. The only issue is I have a line right between, it's blocking, it's sitting between these, but I'm okay with it. You try to combine at a place where where it's inconspicuous, whatever the word is. You try to combine a place where it's not like sitting in the middle of a lock, like what I just did. So let's say in an ideal world, I should be combining this whole lock here, everything here, so that they match, they're all in the same line. But they're so far apart, my parts are going to be crazy if I combine all these here in this line. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave this sitting here like that. Now, remember the ones that we took out the hair on the end? We're going to get to that one now. Where is that? Right here. You know what? Let me see. Is there anything else? Look at this. This is also very thin. Just see that slippage in the middle? Very thin. Eventually it's going to break. So I might wrap hair around it, but I'll get to it later. Not today. It's holding on. So I'll leave it for now, and I'll get to it later. My front locks are just so freaking weak. Look at the slippage in this too. Y'all see the holes in here? You see holes? You see that? That's a hole. Probably just going to break it and attach this to that eventually, because I can't deal with holes. I'm busy repairing everybody, but not repairing mine. Okay, so spray water, make my lines. Where's your line? Why is my line so crooked? Over here. You know what? I think somebody combined. Yep, somebody combined in the past. Alright, so we're going to be working on this. And this is the hair that I cut, right? So I'm going to use it to braid. Alright, 90-degree angle. Y'all see that? 90-degree angle. Like a cross. I made a cross, right? So I made a cross. And I'm going to take hair. It's easy to do it for somebody, but not myself. I'm gonna put it at the bottom, cross at the bottom, take the hair and braid them over the lock. Now I can see where it starts. I don't like that bump. Let's see if y'all see. I can kind of see where it starts. Don't really like that bump, so I'm gonna take it apart. And I'd rather start it somewhere where it's thinner, so it doesn't really have that bump. Look, it's even hard to take it out already. All right, so here it is. Let's go a little bit farther out here. All right, first a little bit thinner. Now, I think it wouldn't look so thick. Okay, I like that better. I'm gonna leave some of the hair to wrap around the lock, and I'm going to instant lock it with a crochet tool. Where did I put it? Here's the tool. So I'm going to pull out, pull, and I'm just going through where I wrapped. Okay, through the lock, pull, pull through the lock, pull. Oh, it's easier to do this on somebody than it is on myself. Okay, through the lock, pull, through the lock, pull, pull, and pull, and pull. Now I'm gonna instant lock this to make sure it doesn't come out. So it's like I'm putting in a period at the end of the lock. Right, I'm stopping it right there. Stopper. Okay. And my lock is kind of hairy anyway, so I'm just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit with the tool. A little bit less hairy, I think. Alright, so I've made this lock a little longer than it was before, and it doesn't look bumpy. Hope this helped.